Hi, this is Scott from Scott and Tracy Traveling. Welcome to our channel. We've been striving to improve our channel and hope to encourage others to start traveling the world. We love traveling in Europe, but always dread the long flight from the west coast of the US. However, this time our flight from San Francisco to Italy had one amazing benefit. We got to see the Aurora Borealis over northern Canada. The sight, which lasted about a half an hour, made the flight worth it. The plane also flew over the Alps, but we didn't get a good view. For our short stay in Rome, we chose a hotel near the Spanish Steps, and our room was a very modest economy room, but was on the top floor and had a small balcony. The hotel also had a nice rooftop terrace that we used on one evening. The trip to Rome had taken us over 24 hours and Tracy was exhausted. We did a quick walk up the Spanish Steps with the Sunday afternoon crowds, and then we got some gelato before Tracy went to take a nap. We hadn't been to Giolitti since our first trip almost 20 years ago, but it only seemed to be even more popular now. Instead of waiting in the long takeaway line, we opted for the slightly more expensive table service. The prices are still pretty reasonable. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We've been to Rome several times before, so we didn't have any must-see sights for our 2 nights. While Tracy napped, I headed out to see how many places I could see in 90 minutes. As the late afternoon sun bathed Rome in a beautiful light, I passed the Spanish Steps and quickly walked to the Trevi Fountain. The fountain was under renovation and seems to be a common theme around Rome. Next year, 2025, will be a holy year, and many sites are being cleaned and refurbished for the anticipated crowds. Even though the fountains were closed, the area was still packed with people. Finding my way through the crowds, I watch a beautiful sunset starting as I make my way to the Pantheon. The Pantheon now requires a ticket. It didn't when we visited in the past, so I continued on. It's always cool walking through the Roman streets, and I made my way to the Piazza Navona. Again, a lot of renovation going on. I encountered the same situation at the last location on my walk, the Bridge of Angels and the Castel Sant'Angelo. Crossing the Tiber River again on a nearby bridge gave me a beautiful evening view of St. Peter's Basilica. It was a nice walk and shows how close a lot of the Roman attractions are. Thanks for watching.